Hey there, today we're going to look at how to draw a line on Lucidchart. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to lucidchart.com. Over here, click on the login button. After that, enter your email, click next, then enter your password and click login. Then from the dashboard, go to the documents section and click on new. Over here, choose Lucidchart, then select blank document. After that, scroll through the left hand sidebar and click on horizontal line. Then click and hold in the workspace and drag to adjust the line length. Over here, click on the line to see the bounding box, then drag it to move or resize. After that, if you want a vertical line, click on vertical line in the sidebar. Then click and drag on the document to create the vertical line. Over here, to add an arrow, select the arrow tool from the toolbar. Then click and drag to position the arrow on your diagram. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.